Hi.
Hello. Thank you so much. These sessions have been very helpful.
Huh?
I'm saying thank you very much. These sessions have been very helpful. I'm so glad I came to India and feel, it works better with the time difference. It was
Yeah,
hard to manage in the US. And
correct.
I'm really sad it will get over tomorrow. So today I joined all three. I took leave from my office.
That's so sweet of you. But TK,
Um,
these calls are getting over, but definitely we all can be connected. And I'll be doing more of these things. If not, every day, maybe I'll try to do it once in a week or fortnight. You know, I'll definitely make sure that I continue this because it's not just for you people, it also adds so much beauty to my life. I am super grateful today. I was so happy after the afternoon call, and then I had written to Dane. Dane here had posted something on Instagram, and when I saw that, I mean, as usual, I always follow him and everything. Today, I wrote to him at that time that on Instagram I had sent a message. Obviously, I don't always expect that he will read my message or he will reply or he's way too busy. Millions of people message him, right? So it was like Dane is active on Instagram. At that time, he was active. So I was like, okay, it's US and whatever is the timing, I don't know. I just wrote, thank you, Dr. Dane. I have been reading the book Body Whispering and have recommended people to buy it. And this morning on my healing 1 hour call, I couldn't stop thanking the person that you are. And may you keep being you and keep transforming lives more than now. Your genuine kindness and concern for community, planet Earth, and all inhabitants melts every heart. And I just feel lucky that I found access and you and your books and all other access books as well. And then I wrote my heartfelt gratitude and acknowledgement for your role in me being more of me every passing day. Now, little did I know after the call, I mean, I was having lunch. I had lunch late today. And I got a reply from Dane. I'll read it. It says, thank you
Whoa,
for,
whoa, whoa, it's big.
it says, thank you for receiving
Epic.
so much. My heart melts reading your words. And with the thing.
so sweet.
So this is what
Sounds
when we be that energy of gratitude and when we be that energy of joy and happiness and everything, the vibration that we are in invites everything that can make us even more happier, even more grateful, even more joyful. This practically is an example of like practically. And then another mentor, Ashish Narayankar, he was online on Instagram and he was doing some Instagram live with some film actress. And I went and I was seeing and he was talking about subconscious mind. And if we keep on cribbing, that is what will keep on expanding. And then he was talking about how we can, reprogram these things and how we can come out of these things and we can start being more grateful and about access and about hypnosis and everything. So it was almost the same thing that I've been talking on the call, and I was like, wow. So these are like my mentors, and when I see them talking the same thing that I've been talking on the same day and similar conversations, it's somewhere it makes me feel that okay, I'm also vibrating in similar frequencies, and that is so much of a joy and reason for me to be more grateful that yeah, I mean, after this 1 month calls that I've been doing, my energy also has shifted to some different space. My energy has become different. The way I'm looking at things has become different. Not that I was not this amazing therapist before. I was an amazing therapist before also because I really do good work. But the 1 month of Souls Temple doing working with so many people and when so many people receive you, in totality, and when they acknowledge what a contribution this has been, it somehow does definitely, makes me want to do more of this. Like how I said today that if you complain about somebody, that somebody will not want to contribute to, but when everybody says thank you, everybody says we're going to miss you, when everybody says we would like to have more of this, naturally I as a facilitator feel na हाँ यार और करना है. Isn't it that simple? It's just that simple, and that only comes when you do quality work, when you actually put in efforts to sharpen your axe. That story, right? I don't know if all of you have heard it or not, the sharpen your axe. You may be skillful, but you got to continue to upgrade your skills. You got to continue to make sure that you don't fall back from where you are into, this place that you again have to like work extremely hard to come back. That not that, when there are difficult times, it is very natural for you to fall back. It is very natural for you to feel that everything is going haywire. It is very natural for you to feel sad and upset and everything. I remember, I have to like acknowledge this. Charu, she's my student. She joined me in my NLP. She joined me in my Access Bars, and then she went on, and now she's become a certified facilitator, Dr. Charu Chopra, Jaipur. So they all, of course, they consider me as a mentor and everything. And they've grown beyond me now, much beyond me in all their work and practices. It gives me a great sense of high that, wow, it's like seeing your children flourish. So there was a time, some 1 year, 2 years ago, one of our best friends' daughter, who was just 18 years old, died of brain hemorrhage. Obviously, it's not fun to see your best friend's daughter dying, and that too at 18 years old. A beautiful, beautiful little girl. She was always chirping. She was like bubbly, lively, lovely, beautiful girl. And then suddenly she's no more. Suddenly within a week, everything is over. Obviously, no parent and no parent figure would feel good about it. So I was so upset. For like 20 days, I didn't do anything. Really, I didn't do any work. I didn't do any healing. I was just sitting, sulking, sleeping, remembering her, thinking of her family members and my friends, the couple of friends that I had, her brother, and a lot of things. Because we all were like family friends for years now, ever since I'm married till then. And then one day, I was just sleeping and Charu called me. Usually, these people, they'll all my students, once in 2-3 months, 6 months, suddenly they'll be like, "बस आपसे बात करने का मन किया था, मैंने call किया." And so when she called me, by my voice itself, she could figure out that I'm not fine. And she was like, "Are you okay, Bannadi?" I said, "No, I'm not. I'm just not able to come out of that death that happened." Mithi, her name was Purvi, Mithi. I said, "I'm not able to come out of Mithi's demise." Then she did a couple of questions and clearings. Are you trying to heal their family? Are you trying to, without even them knowing, sending healing to them? And is it taking a toll on your body, etc., etc.? She asked a lot of questions. And then I was getting a yes and everything. She simply said, "Okay, are you willing to step up and step out of this space?" And in that moment, that felt lighter, because I felt that if I'm going to go further downward in that downward spiral, it's going to not just harm me, it's going to like really, really make things worse for everybody. And then I said yes. And then she said, "Listen, come off to Jaipur. Ho gaya bas. I mean, I know you're upset and everything. You don't do anything." She said, "Don't come and do any sessions. If you feel like doing sessions, you do sessions. If you don't feel like, just stay with me." I said, okay, fine. I went on Paytm and I booked my train ticket. Like within 15 minutes, I booked my ticket and I left. And the moment I left, first of all, that whole stepping up and stepping out of that particular place where you're not feeling very good. Sometimes it's so important to do that. And then when I went, I just stayed, I think, what, 4 5 days and 1 week, and I came back. But that 1 week, immediately I got into my work mode. Immediately I started taking sessions. I started doing whatever I have to do. And then when you're getting into this mode of contribution, you can't be in the mode of complaining. Both don't coexist together. Cannot be possible. Now those are the times when I have realized that, okay, the sooner I get back to my, mode of contribution, the better. Rather than sitting and, I'm not making myself wrong for that. Obviously, it was traumatic. It was hard. I cried. We all cried. My daughter also cried. All of us were very, very upset because she was a beautiful child. But then, okay, fine. Life has to move on. And I had done a shamanic journey for her, and she told Chachi, it's time for me to leave. Don't hold me back. It's very difficult. Even though you know all this transformation, spirit, and this and that, and death is just transformation of energy. But still, when practically somebody dies, it is difficult. It is not easy. But then, yeah, how long do we want to remain in that space? And are we willing to receive support from someone who genuinely cares that, okay, fine, I want you to come out of this space, come now. That's all. And are you taking that step, that one step, okay, fine, I'm done, I'm moving beyond. That will decide the immediate next near future. And your future doesn't depend upon your astrology charts. Your future depends upon your present actions. What are you doing today is going to decide how your tomorrow is going to be like. And what you're doing every day will decide how 5 years later you're going to be. Action steps that you take every day. Like, for example, what I have done for this 1 month, it is going to reap rewards for the next 5 years or maybe more than that. Because the stuff that I put on YouTube, this is not just where it has to reach, just say 50 people. No, it will reach to 500 people in the next 5 years. So the actions that I took today, with genuine intention, with genuine desire to contribute, will have its own effect, ripple effect in people. How? I don't know. Do I have to make extra efforts for that? That also I'm not sure. Will it just go on its own to wherever it has to go? Possible. Do I trust that it will reach wherever it has to? Yes, I do. Do I have faith that there is a purpose behind all of this, and that every single step that I took, every single call that I did, must have at least contributed to one person in some good way? Yes, I have faith. I trust. I trust myself. I have faith in my work and the Almighty also. So these things are the things which kind of hold you strong in times of turmoil, in times of difficulties. This faith, this trust, this ability to carry on, that yes, okay, this has happened, but then I'm going to carry on. I'm going to go forward from here. I'm not going to give up. Like Gary Douglas says, never give in, never give up, never quit. And then the other one is, which I have read other places, delays are not denials. These are quotes, these are things which have really, really inspired me way too much than anything else. Again, I have the Body Whispering book next to me. And so just let me pick up some page. It's page number 111. 111 is angel numbers. Okay. So I'm just reading the whole thing. Close up on order. Every judgment is order, every thought, every feeling, every emotion, every fixed point of view. Every projection, every expectation, every separation and rejection. And when your projections and expectations are not met, and you judge yourself and others and the world at large, that's order, order, order. Yeah, Harveen, I'll take your question. Just let me finish this. For everything you judge, nothing that doesn't match that judgment can come into your awareness. When you judge something, you're only willing to see it as one thing, one solid, sturdy, heavy thing with no capacity to move or change. It doesn't mean that something else beyond it doesn't exist. It means all you're willing to see is the thing that matches your judgment and matches the rightness of your judgment. Anytime you have to be right, you're doing order. Anytime you've decided you're wrong, you're doing order. Anytime you have to maintain the rightness of your point of view or the wrongness of your point of view, you're doing order. What energy are you picking up around the concept of order, by the way? Are you getting a sense of heavy or light? Is it solid or spacious? And what about chaos? When you step away from the idea that chaos is violent or destructive, do you get more of a sense of possibility, space, and freedom around it? Close up on chaos. The game changer for me came when I realized that consciousness is actually chaos. Chaos is consciousness in motion. Take a moment to think about the natural world, the trees, the plants, the amazing networks of fungi under and over the forest floor. Think of moss, of grass, of the first shoots of a daffodil in spring. Mountain ranges, lakes, volcanoes, the sea. In your mind, conjure a sense of the natural world. Feel it in your body. Does it have an intensity to it? Does it have a chaos to it? There is chaos in nature, and it coexists with the smallest element of order possible. Chaos is necessary and essential to nature. Only it's never overpowered or contained by order. We as humans are the ones with the tendency to over-order our natural chaos. So this is page number 110 and 111. I would recommend go ahead and buy Being You, Changing the World. Go ahead and buy Body Whispering. Go ahead and check Access Consciousness books if you haven't done Access yet. And if you haven't done Access bars, go ahead and do Access bars with any facilitator. Doesn't matter. You don't have to necessarily do it with me, but just do it, because these are the things which have really, really contributed to my life a lot. Yeah, Harvey, what's it that you want to say?
Yeah, Vanna, basically I wanted to ask you something else, but now after this read, there is a switch in something else as well. So I've been trying to do that past 2-3 days, but probably I couldn't get it because it was supposed to happen now, probably. It's just that when you read it and you say judgments, some days we do some things are good for us, then probably they're not good for others. So we just tend to judge ourselves, and that creates a chaos, right?
Mhm.
Chaos in the consciousness. That's what you read exactly. So
Yes.
how do you go with that? Because to your soul, you judge your own self. Ki, it's good for me, that's why you chose. And then probably you think it's not good for others. So what exactly it is this chaos? Like this is a chaos. Like you don't even get to figure out ki hum sahi hai, ki situation sahi hai, or whatever. I don't know.
Yeah, so that is what you have to get out of the sahi and the galat.
Yeah.
You have to choose what is light for you. Access consciousness always says what's true makes you feel light, and what's a
Right.
lie will make you feel heavy. So when you're thinking of doing whatever you're thinking of doing, whether people judge it or not doesn't matter. When you are thinking of doing it,
Yeah.
are you feeling light about it? And if you're not feeling light about it, don't do it. If you're feeling light about it, if your body expands when you think of doing it, then that is the
Yeah.
result that will get created.
Right.
So, and then sooner or later, people will catch up. Immediately, people won't get it. Like, I mean, even now,
Mhm.
all these calls, not my relatives and not many people who know me since years are even watching them. They're like, pata nahi
Right.
kya kar rahe. But it's okay, right? Do I want
No.
everybody to get what I'm doing? No.
No, but judgment doesn't come from this, like from your own. Like, but later, like when I did the shadow class, she actually made you realize to let that stuff go, because just add a quality to it, add a feeling to it. And that time I realized, yeah, it was for like, this gave me happiness, this made me feel me somewhere which I was lost in something. So जो self created guilt या doubt या chaos है, वो trouble करता है for me, as in over other people's judgments and stuff.
Yeah, because that is humanoid. That's what Axis talks about, human and humanoid. Humanoids are always judging themselves. They don't judge other people much. So
Right.
acknowledging that you're a humanoid and you're different and you're not like every other person, first of all, that would be an acknowledgement. And after that, you have to be okay with people not getting you.
Right.
And in the
And
sense, you don't have to stop doing what you're doing or what you truly trust that it is going to help. You don't stop you
right.
for anybody.
Yeah, that's why I was so inspired by you. I wasn't much active on Facebook, but today I posted something which I just learned, that you owe yourself the love that you freely give to other people.
Yes, totally.
And I found it when I was there with you at 3 p.m. class, and it just scrolled down on my Pinterest, right? So I
Yeah.
just pinned it down and posted it there. So probably a lot of people needs to do that. Need
Exactly.
to do
And
that.
maybe a lot of people need to hear that also
Yes,
in these times of
exactly. That's what.
chaos,
Yeah,
you know.
yeah.
So if you have nice
And
things to say or do, just go say and do. That's all.
right, right. Maybe we'll just help somebody in some way we don't even know. Like, I'll have a lot of my school friends there. Not everybody shares their stuff, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
probably it's a message for somebody anywhere there.
I'll tell you, like even before all these calls and other things, on my WhatsApp status, I'll put these messages like how you put, right?
Yes, I do take screenshots since I added you there. Yeah.
Yeah. And so many people who I don't even know will come and tell me, oh my God, sometimes what you share on your WhatsApp status is exactly what we needed to hear. Thank you so much. And so grateful for what you share. I don't even know those
Right.
people. I will just get
Right.
messages. I'll be like, okay, fine, thank you. So if simply some nice few words can
Right.
add happiness to somebody who's confused, somebody who's not feeling good, just they are simply maybe browsing internet, and
Hmm.
when they are browsing internet and seeing, oh, this person died, that person raped, that person, does that add more happiness? No, it doesn't.
I don't even listen to news. Like, it's been a year since this COVID thing started. If I would have read or I would have listened to news, I would have just thought कि कल तो चढ़ेगा ही नहीं. मेरा brain वैसा ही हो जाता ना.
Exactly,
सुन सुन के.
we all get influenced by it. Some may get
Exactly.
less influence and some may get more influence, but we all get influenced at the end of the day.
Like my friends started posting this black fungus thing. Ki post COVID people are getting this mucositis and then black fungus and this is happening, that is happening. The more you think about it, the more it will affect you.
The more we will create it, the black fungus will
Yeah,
become so
yeah,
significant that even those who don't have it will be fearful of having it.
exactly right.
It's that is why the media, the social media and everything, if you watch this movie, The Social Dilemma or something like that, that's the name, I think, about social
Social
networking. Yeah.
Right, right.
Shashi, what's the name of the movie? I forgot.
No. I thought you meant The Social Network. That's
The
another
Social
movie about
Network. Correct,
Facebook.
correct. Social Network. Correct. That only. So when I watched that movie, they were literally saying how they program people's minds on Facebook, on Instagram, on this, on that. When I saw that movie, I was like, okay, you can't completely get rid of that. I mean, you can't completely be off media for your entire life because work, because connections, because networking, everything is required. But then what can you possibly do with this
Mm-hmm.
that can help other people rather than demotivate them?
Yeah, and there was one more thing for which I raised my hand, which was ki, like I was speaking to my dad before this call, and just like he's all alone now. I have no sibling, and I told you I lost my stepmom within this month as well. So what actually he was trying to tell me, now be happy, and I was telling, yeah, it was just the mental stress which got me like that over physical stress. So in a way I just had this thought, like I have learned what I had to learn out of this phase, and I just never want to go through that level of mental stress ever in my life.
Yeah.
So how do I just affirm it ki it's what I have to learn is a lesson, and I just don't want to face it again? Because in Secret, if you read, they say what you run away from, then you attract it again.
Yeah, what you resist will persist. But
Yeah.
were you on the 3 p.m. call where I did healing with the father and ancestors?
Mhm.
No.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, so I would recommend watch that call where the title itself is Father, Parent, Ancestral Healing or something like that. It's just like 2-3 days before.
I was supposed to hear that. I didn't hear it because I joined your 3 p.m. one, but I passed the link to my husband. He was listening to it much before I just joined in for a class right now.
Oh, okay, cool.
So
No,
I
but
was thinking he's in Bandana's class, and then I was like, ये मेरे से पहले कैसे पहुंच गया? And then I realized, oh, I passed him the link, so he's listening to it.
yeah. So listen to that. That will help you
That
and
is
your
yesterday's Vandana.
yesterday, right? So it is
Yeah.
going to help you, your father. Even when you're going to do that healing, it will have a ripple effect on him. Today my mom called me and she spoke to me for 1 hour. She listened to yesterday morning's call where I spoke about my mom and my grandmother, and she was like, "हाँ मैं पूरा सुनी तेरा call."
Yeah.
And then she was like, "मैं रोज सुनती हूँ और अच्छा है, अब तेरा कल खत्म हो जाएगा क्या? तो तू ऐसा करना, घर आ जा, हम लोग के साथ
Wow.
रह ले थोड़ी देर थोड़े दिन."
Wow.
शी लाइक कि अब तू छुट्टी ले ले, तू बैंगलोर आ जा, हम लोग तो अभी यहीं रहने वाले हैं, मैं और पापा और बच्चे लोग हैं, आई मीन माय यंगर ब्रदर्स किड. सो शी
Where are
इज
you
लाइक,
located? I have no clue.
आई एम इन पुणे.
Okay.
जी आ जाओ बैंगलोर,
Nice.
सच बता रही हूँ. एकदम
So
बराबर बोले आंटी ने, you should come to Bangalore
yeah, Bangalore I have a lot of people, okay.
so that I get
So
to meet you then.
so she was like, अब तू है ना एक काम कर, तू बस अब बैंगलोर आ जा. You know that she has always invited me home and other things,
Right.
but the way she said it today was like, I'm longing to see you. She didn't say that way, but her voice said that, I'm so longing to see you now. So
Yeah, previously I used to talk to my dad for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Today I actually was like, I spoke to him for 50 minutes. Like I'm just not a call person much.
see,
And I was spoke to him for 50 minutes. I was like, wow, the magic.
so that is
Bandhana's magic happening around.
so how much it adds value to their being, because fact is, after an old age, when you're 70 plus 75, my mom and all are 75, around 75,
Right.
still thankfully they are active, they are doing their work and everything, but definitely all of us like to be acknowledged, right? all of us like to be appreciated and acknowledged. And when she saw that, oh, I not just acknowledged her, I acknowledged her mother also. She felt very like she doesn't know how to say thank. She will not say thank you, Bandhu. She was like, तू ठीक से खाती भी नहीं होगी. तू घर आ, मैं तेरे लिए तेरे को जो खाना.
That's what mother's love is all about. खाने से ही माँ का प्यार निकलता है सच्चा.
So that's what parents can do, right? And that is thanks to when she's listening to my calls, I know how much she's feeling good about it.
Right.
And then she told me my mami ji, means my elder mama's wife. My elder mama is no more. They are also another family. They have 3 daughters, but I'm like the 4th daughter. So she said, मामी जी भी मेरे को बोले कि ऐसे तो पता नहीं, बंधु तो फोन उठाती नहीं है, बात ही नहीं होती है बंधु से, पर ऐसा होता है कि I didn't even know she's watching some YouTube because my cousin, my mommy's daughter, she sent some YouTube to my mommy ji. So, and my mommy ji doesn't, my mom at least she can get a little bit of English, my mommy ji can't get even that. Okay. But my mommy ji told my mom, बस उसको थोड़ा ऐसे हंसते बोलते हुए देख लेते ना तो खुशी होती है.
Wow.
बोले वो कुछ भेजी पप्पू और उसको हंसते बोलते हुए देख लो तो ही खुशी होती है.
Yeah.
They are
There's
that simple.
so much in your smile. There's so much in your smile. The way you laugh. It's just, I don't know. It's some other space. It's very contagious. Like my husband, I told you, it is just so much laughing and smiling in front of people. And when he listens to you, he just smiles and smiles. There's a constant smile. The way I had it when I had the first session with you, like, it's so amazing. It's very, very contagious. Thank you for spreading smiles. Thank you for being you. Seriously.
I when I used to write my morning quotes, one day I just written on a Saturday morning, I said, I smile, you smile, we all smile together and the world is a more beautiful place.
Yes. Like you're drawing, right? That's what you told me. You were showing it and you won't believe I sent Babandi something, and while I was on 3 p.m. call and you showed just that time she sent me pattern she drew. And I was like, what a coincidence.
No coincidence.
Yeah. And I was like, same, like she also drew some patterns and colored so beautifully.
Yeah.
Like,
and
wow,
Baban does very good painting and all.
Yeah, right.
I have seen a couple of her works. She's brilliant.
Yeah, exactly. That's probably something I told her, you must be amazing when at your childhood over this, because it's just so professional.
Yeah, it's very beautiful.
अब आप मुझे दो तो मैं तो वही बचपन में जैसे वो
mountains.
Cartoon. Yeah, right.
That
same.
one round and one stick here and one stick here and one stick.
Exactly.
That's my human figure.
Same. And us 2 dots and a smiling face. Bas,
yes. Utna hi.
I once made it, Angad, and I gave a card to my husband and I was like, this is me, this is you. He's like, तू ऐसे दिखती है. मैं तो ऐसे नहीं दिखता जैसे तूने बना के दिया मुझे.
Correct. One thing people will think, oh my God, am I so horrible? You've drawn me like this.
No, actually he got offended. मैं तो ऐसे नहीं दिखता, तू ऐसे दिखती है. I was like, this is the only skill I have in drawing. Sorry, don't expect more.
So yeah,
probably, I can color, I can fill in the stuff, but that is just not my forte to draw it up. And
obviously, you can't be good at everything, right?
Yeah. I've never been good at it since childhood. Like I had zero interest in drawings. I don't know why. I love coloring. I love joining the dots and then filling the color. That was my favorite part, but just not.
So I'm very bad at games also, like the kids' games, not the Ludo and all, but a little complicated games.
Yeah,
so my nephew and niece who are 10-year-old, if they will be playing with me some card game or something, and if they'll tell me you can cheat like this, you can do this. And after that, if I would try that and I would fail miserably.
Oh God.
My nephew will be like, oh my God, Bua, you don't even know.
Yeah.
You're so dumb.
And he doesn't know like his Bua is so aware. Like she's a Gyan ka bhandar totally.
No, but then see, that is what I'm saying. You can't be good at everything.
Yeah, right. I agree.
And for those things, I'll tell, yeah, Ishan, I don't know. Will you teach me, please?
See, but we tend to learn. There is a learning process, right?
Of course.
Forever, and it goes forever. That's what I feel. You
Learning,
learn anything and everything in with every phase.
absolutely. Or every time you get to learn something new, and it's brilliant. Like how this book, I've never done this much of coloring. Oh my God. I was like, इतना patience कैसे आता है?
Totally.
ये
And she
कैसे-
also
कैसे-
found a proper book and sent it to you. So it was universe way. You give time to yourself as well.
So yeah, I was like, okay, fine. Let
Or
me
it
do
was a message. You've added colors to people's lives just like that. So fill in there. Yeah. It's just
So,
a
yeah.
perception how we take it.
The way we look at it, that's about it.
Yeah.
And it's brilliant. And Simran, you just wrote, I missed my mom. Do you want to talk about it? I would like to.
It's okay.
It's
नहीं
okay.
seriously. नहीं आप वो मम्मा की बात कर रही थी ना तो it was just like I hardly used to spend time with my mom after I got married because I was busy with my business and all that. तो जब वो चली गई तो उसके बाद इतना रिग्रेट हुआ ना कि I couldn't spend time with her. एंड वो बोलती रहती थी कि तुम आओ, मुझे लालच देती थी कि तुम आओ मैं तुम्हारे लिए ना ये पकाऊंगी वो पकाऊंगी. तो आपने जब बोला ना तो लगा शिट यार मेरी मम्मा भी ऐसे बोलती थी और मैं पहुंच ही नहीं पाई. मतलब I went by the time I could go she left.
Yeah.
So it was that.
And I think you only asked about Talk to the Entities, right?
No, I told you that I don't want to do entities right now.
Yeah, that's what. But you spoke about it, right?
Yes, yes.
That I'm
I did.
resisting that.
Correct,
right?
correct. I did mention, yes.
What if that is the thing that you're resisting might just open up doorways for you to communicate with her?
Yeah, maybe. Because when we did foundation, na the उसमें जब वो एक आता है entities का section, when I did with Priya Alti in Bangalore, तो उस टाइम पे भी प्रिया ने मुझे पहले ही बोला कि सिमरन you be alert on this, okay? You have to listen properly. So I was like, oh, okay. And that also was like resisting to listen to it. Yeah. And then what happened when we were sitting, all of us, मेरा चार्जर लगा हुआ था फोन पे. It just blasted. तो हम लोग को लगा यार ये क्या मतलब करंट चला गया और वो तो उसने बोला ये सब होता है कोई टेंशन वाली बात नहीं है. मुझे बहुत अजीब लग रहा था तभी मैं डर गई कि व्हाट इज हैपनिंग.
So maybe there is something in it for you, you know?
Yeah, I know. I'm just वो बोलता है ना हिम्मत जता रही हूँ कि I'm just going to do next. अभी मेरा body class भी हो गया. Now I have to do entities only.
Yeah, and you can do it with
I am
Dattu.
choosing. I am seriously choosing to do it.
In Bangalore, Dattu is like amazing.
Yeah,
You know?
yeah.
His capacity with entities also is amazing.
Yeah,
So-
true, very true.
So you can choose it whenever he does next, and
Yes.
And tell him I told you.
हाँ पक्का रेफरेंस दूंगी आपका मैं.
नहीं, मुझे actually दत्तू के साथ मेरा कैसा है पता है? He's like my son only. I know
he's
him
very
before Access Consciousness.
He's very cute. I mean, I've not really got a personal. I have done his छोटू मोटू classes, what he keeps announcing ना अभी.
Yeah.
वो energy pulls और ये सब मैं सब करती हूँ उनके साथ. लेकिन
Yeah.
एक proper ऐसा class नहीं किया. अहम में एक बार उनसे मिली थी when I did Chandana's Creating Beyond class. I had gone there.
Okay.
तो
At
तब
Aham.
वो पहली बार मैं उनसे दत्तू को देखा था वहाँ पे मैंने.
So Dattu, I met Dattu in my Souls Temple workshop in Bangalore.
Oh,
He had come for my Souls Temple workshop, and then he had a question about why are Access classes so expensive?
Okay. और आज खुद देखो कितने सारे classes create कर रहे हैं वो.
Because Souls Temple वो आ गया था because it was voluntary donation, and Nishchita Deepak, right, in Bangalore.
Yeah.
She had hosted my Souls Temple.
If you don't mind, can I ask something, please?
Yeah, sure.
जब आपने क्लासेस मतलब ये जो कॉल्स अनाउंस किए थे 3 टाइम वाले जो मॉर्निंग आफ्टरनून एंड इवनिंग I remember seeing that you had announced 3 classes but you had not told about the energy exchange or did you mention can we pay as we wish or
Yeah, it's
anything
pay
like that?
as you wish basis.
है ना ऐसा कुछ था राइट
Yeah.
मैं आज ही अपने हस्बैंड को बोल रही थी कि दी का सिर्फ एक और दिन बाकी है एंड दिस वुमन हैज रियली मेड ऑल आवर वर्ड्स गो मैड वी हैव थॉट ऑन डिफरेंट लेवल्स नहीं तो हम पागल के जैसे पता नहीं क्या क्या सोच के ना रोते रहते थे सो आई वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग ऑफ ऑनरिंग यू इन अ डिफरेंट वे सो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू नो दैट थैंक यू सो मच
It is on voluntary contribution basis. I had written on the first day only that after the month gets over, if
हाँ
any of you
yes I
feel
remember
like,
reading something but I was
yeah,
not sure so I thought I'll ask you on the call good you
I didn't talk much about it because somebody on some other group
okay
who saw that message, I had written that the contribution is not for the healing, it is for the time that I'm giving. Okay.
Of course, honoring you and your time. That's what even I told my husband. She has given
And
her whole
it's
month to
on
all
a
of us.
I said it's on a pay as you wish basis because like for me for 1 month I didn't take any paid sessions or anything, right?
Correct. Yes.
So and like I'm not my thing is like almost hand to mouth my regular bank balance. So I but this time really this is not the
no, Dee, don't take me wrong. It is not at all. I just
thing.
wanted to know कि आपने सब बोला था ना बस वही जान
So
रही थी मैं.
that what happened in some group somebody wrote that what is this she's telling contribution and then she wants to talk about money and she's talking about
They
her
don't know the
time.
real word of they don't know the real meaning of contribution, Dee. They need to check on it.
So then somebody who read that message came back to me and said that oh somebody said like this about your invitation even before my call started.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's much before my call started. So I said it's okay, it's their perception.
Yeah, it's okay.
कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे लोगों का काम है
लोगों
हाँ,
का
I mean-
काम है कहना.
So I was
Right.
like, okay, fine. I mean, you know what? I'm not going to sit and justify anybody what it is and
Exactly.
why I have written what I've written. Whatever I do it very heartily, and then whatever people have to take from that, they can take what they want to criticize. They can criticize what they want to let go. They can let go. It's not my you know control area anyway, and I'm not trying to control that in any form or manner. So yeah, that's that. Like so then I was like for a moment I thought ki kya karu, shall I change the invitation and remove that voluntary contribution?
No,
and
no,
only
no. You
just
didn't
do-
have to go into the wrongness of it. Today morning only we spoke about it.
Yeah, that's what at that time I
Yeah.
thought for a moment I said, but
Yes.
then I didn't. I was like, yeah, let it reach wherever it has to, and it doesn't
Yes.
matter. I'm not going to make anything right or wrong about it. That's about it. Yeah,
Correct.
Jinal.
Yeah, I also came across the same message of the energy exchange for the time, and it's not whatever you
Yeah.
said.
Yeah.
Even I wanted to ask, so good, Simranji brought it up. So I would just message you personally after the call about the details. And number two, I just wanted to say that I don't know, like I did sleep today, like I woke up quite early, but then I slept mid afternoon. But even then, I'm feeling low on energy and little headache है तो कुछ कर सकते हैं उसके लिए?
Yeah, sure. How much on a scale of 0 to 10? How much is the headache?
5,
Okay. And which part of the head is paining?
the crown area.
Here.
हाँ.
Okay. So, okay, what is it making you feel?
It's making me feel heavy.
Heavy. Okay, so just first start with the heaviness on my head is my soul stem.
Okay.
The
So
heaviness.
should I mute myself?
Yeah, or you can say loudly or mute yourself, whatever works.
Okay, I'll mute and then we'll repeat.
Yeah. 11 times the heaviness on my head is my soul stem.
I'm just getting a very ब्लैक कलर का एक स्क्वायर बॉक्स आ रहा है पूरे टाइम जब आई वाज जस्ट चैंटिंग दिस.
Okay, so this black square box, does it look solid? Does it look, um, you know, like
Yeah,
a cake?
it's solid.
Solid. Okay, so just say this solid black box on my head is my soul temple.
The solid black box on my head is my soul temple. The solid black box on my head is my soul temple. The solid black box on my head is my soul temple. The solid black box on my head is my soul temple. The solid black box on my head is my soul temple. The solid black box on my head is my soul temple. The solid black box on my head is my soul temple. The solid black box on my head is my soul temple. The solid black box on my head is my soul temple. The solid black box on my head is my soul temple. The solid black box on my head is my soul temple.
My need for this
And
solid black blocks. What's happening? Sorry.
now it's just a black thing. ऐसे ही black दिखा रहा है सिर्फ. No
Okay.
shape or anything, just black.
How much is the pain?
It's still the same.
The same. Okay. So what is it that you're resisting to change?
Mm. Nothing is coming to me actually.
Okay. Usually crown area is about split. What are you feeling split at with?
Mm. Split in terms of?
Like for example, oneness is communion, right? That is crown chakra.
Huh.
So when there's some fragment, um,
Huh.
some part of you fragmented. So what is that part of you think you've separated from, or you're not uh, able to change?
My old life.
Okay, perfect. So what about your old life?
The chill, the relaxation, the comfort. But then at the same time, I'm enjoying this new busy, crazy phase as well. I'm receiving
Yeah,
so much love.
so this is very good that it came off now, because if in your crazy busy phase of life, if every time you need relaxation you have to create a pain, then that will become difficult.
Okay.
You can relax periodically just like that. You can take a day off and not do any work. Okay. But if you would need to create a pain for relaxing, and if you will feel wrong for relaxing, then it will create more difficulties.
Right.
Okay. That's just an awareness you have to have. Now say, my resistance to relax uh, between my crazy, hectic, whatever, what is the word you want to use, is my soul's temple.
My resistance to relax. Can we put to adapt to the new life?
Yeah, but then that's not relaxed. Then it will be my, okay, first say my resistance to adapt to the new life is my soul's temple.
Okay. My resistance to adapt to the new life is my soul's temple. My resistance to adapt to the new life is my
What's happening with you saying this?
power word आ रहा है.
Power. Okay.
This new life is giving me power, confidence, and everything. So that is what it's showing.
So, what else? What is power for you?
Power for me, being accepted for what I do or for who I am, I feel is powerful.
So, did something happen yesterday or this morning which made you feel not accepted?
No, in fact, I have been in the receiving, like people, I've been hosting two workshops, like I said yesterday, and people are enjoying. So, yeah, but then there was this one lady who came in the afternoon workshop, and she was like, oh, you need to teach more pranayams, like we are just doing the same shit from the last 3 days. And I'm like, okay, we need to see the strength of the class, and then I need to decide, like, yeah.
Yeah. So what did
So,
that lady saying that make you feel?
uh, I got defensive. I was like, dude,
Yeah.
I know my job. I know what I'm doing. And like, you need to have that much faith and surrender if you are willing to learn. Like, you have to unlearn your old things and then you have to learn again.
So
So,
here's the
yeah,
split. Do you get it, Jinal?
okay. Yeah,
You
no.
told her that you need to unlearn the old things and adapt to the new, and you
Hmm.
have a resistance to adapt to the new.
हाँ ओके मतलब वो मैंने उनको बोला नहीं मैं ऐसे
हाँ,
मेरे
मतलब
माइंड
in your
मतलब मैंने
head, of course, both are in your head.
हाँ
That's
हाँ
a split.
ओके
So now say that my ability to unlearn old ways of being is my soul's temple.
my ability my ability to unlearn old ways is my soul's temple. My ability to unlearn old ways is my soul's temple. My ability to unlearn old ways is my soul's temple. My ability to unlearn old ways is my soul's temple. My ability to unlearn old ways is my soul's temple. My ability to unlearn old ways is my soul's temple. My ability to unlearn old ways is my soul's temple. My ability to unlearn old ways is my soul's temple. My ability to unlearn old ways is my soul's temple. My ability to unlearn old ways is my soul's temple. My ability to unlearn old ways is my soul's temple. मेरा
My
स्क्वायर
need
बॉक्स बहुत छोटा
चला गया
छोटा छोटा हुआ
छोटा हो गया. Okay, so my need to hold on partially to the old ways.
I need to hold on to the
Partially,
I
my
need
need
to
to
hold
hold
on
on partially to
partially
my
to
old
old ways
ways is my soul's temple.
is my soul's temple. I need to hold on partially to my old ways is my soul's temple. I need to hold on partially to my old ways is my soul's temple. I need to hold on partially to my old ways is my soul's temple. I need to hold on partially to the old ways of my soul's temple. I need to hold on partially to the old ways of my soul's temple. I need to hold on partially to the old ways of my soul's temple. I need to hold on partially to the old ways of my soul's temple. I need to hold on partially to the old ways of my soul's temple. I need to hold on partially to the old ways. It's my soul's temple. I need to hold on partially to the old ways of my soul's temple.
My resistance to receive judgments of people on my new journey is my soul's temple.
My
My
resistance
resistance to receive judgments.
on my new journey is my soul's temple. My resistance to receive judgments on my new journey is my soul's temple. My resistance to receive judgments on my new journey is my soul's temple. My resistance to receive judgments on my new journey is my soul's temple. My resistance to receive judgments on my new journey is my
All
soul's
of us
temple.
can do this. My
My
resistance to
resistance
receive judgments on my new journey is my soul's
my
temple.
new journey is my soul's temple. My resistance to receive judgments on my new journey is my soul's temple. My resistance to receive judgments on my new journey is my soul's temple. My resistance to receive judgments on my new journey is my soul's temple. My resistance to receive judgments on my new journey is my soul's temple. My resistance to receive judgments on my new journey is my soul's
My
temple.
need, okay, defending my old and new ways of being is my soul's temple.
Defending my old and new ways of being with my soul's temple. Defending my old and new ways of being with my soul's temple. Defending my old and new ways of being with my soul's temple. Defending my old and new ways of being with my soul's temple. Defending my old and new ways of being with my soul's temple. Defending my old and new ways of being with my soul's temple. Defending my old and new ways of being with my soul's temple. Sorry. Defending my old and new ways of being with my soul's temple. Defending my old and new ways of being with my soul's temple. Defending my old and new ways of being with my soul's temple. Defending my old
My need to defend my old and new ways of being is my soul's temple.
My need to defend my old and new ways of being is my soul's temple. My need to defend my old and new ways of being is my soul's temple. My need to defend my old and new ways of being is my soul's temple. My need to defend old and new ways of being is my soul's temple. My need to defend my old and new ways of being is my soul's temple. My need to defend my old and new ways of being is my soul's temple. My need to defend my old and new ways of being is my soul's temple. My need to defend old and new ways of being is my soul's temple. My need to defend my old and new ways of being is my soul's temple. My need to defend old and new ways of being is my soul's temple. My need to defend old and new ways of being is my soul's temple.
My um, resistance to stop defending myself is my soul's temple.
My resistance to stop defending myself is my soul's temple. My resistance to stop defending myself is my soul's temple. My resistance to stop defending myself is my soul's temple. My resistance to stop defending myself is my soul's temple. My resistance to stop defending myself is my soul's temple. My resistance to stop defending myself is my soul's temple. My resistance to stop defending myself is my soul's temple. My resistance to stop defending myself is my soul's temple. My resistance to stop defending myself is my soul's temple. My resistance to stop defending myself is my soul's temple. My resistance to stop defending myself is my soul's temple. I could see Lord Metatron standing with his cube. I could see when doing the third statement of resistance, I could see the black वाला जो था वो space, उसके पीछे मस्त light आ रहा है.
Now, last, say choosing what works for me and being an allowance of what people choose is my soul's temple.
मैम बहुत बड़ा बोल दिया आपने, वापस बोलो.
Choosing what works for me
Choosing what works for me
and being an allowance of what people choose is my soul's temple.
and being in allowance of what people choose is my soul's. Choosing what works for me and being in
And
allowance.
being in allowance of what people choose is my soul's temple. Let's all do it. I'll mute you for a while.
हाँ.
Choosing what works for me and being in allowance of what people choose is my soul's temple. Choosing what works for me and being in allowance of what people choose is my soul's temple. Choosing what works for me and being in allowance of what people choose is my soul's temple. Choosing what works for me and being in allowance of what people choose is my soul's temple. Choosing what works for me and being in allowance of what people choose is my soul's temple. Choosing what works for me and being in allowance of what people choose is my soul's temple. Choosing what works for me and being in allowance of what people choose is my soul's temple. Choosing what works for me and being in allowance of what people choose is my soul's temple. Choosing what works for me and being in allowance of what people choose is my soul's temple. Choosing what works for me and being in allowance of what people choose is my soul's temple. Choosing what works for me and being in allowance of what people choose is my soul's temple. What's happening, Jinal?
बहुत सारे ज्योमेट्रिक शेप्स दिखे और पीछे नियॉन लाइट आ रहा था. मतलब जो डार्क था आई फील
वो चला गया है,
मतलब
but
it
what is the
got
headache?
हाँ.
Headache का scenario क्या है?
Headache, I think it's moved on the left side now. It's not in the center.
From there, it is completely gone.
हाँ, left side में लग रहा है अभी.
Left side मतलब कहाँ? यहाँ? Like this? Or
हाँ,
here?
हाँ.
Here.
No, the way center, crown area में, लेकिन left side में.
Here, right? Somewhere
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
Okay.
Perfect.
And how much is that pain?
I think it's more than that 5, 7 we can say.
Oh, wow. Okay. So there's more to this. Yeah, Shashi, what do you want to ask?
We can finish the Jinan. I just for later on. Is it okay to tell these statements of Soul Temple to other people or friends and share?
Yeah, you can. If it is relevant for them, yes, you can.
Yeah, like just a blank so that they can fill it, like where you taught us.
Yeah. Soul's Temple, anyways, you can send to everybody. You can send the basic Soul's Temple template, which I've shared on the group. You can send the bigger one. You can send the document of Soul's Temple. You can send the audios and videos of Souls Temple. All that you can send to anybody. It's not fixed to only people who are on the call. You can distribute that. So yeah, Jinal, if it's coming to the left side and it's increasing, then there's something more to it with regards to, it might be some pattern of the past or something which is troubling. Maybe you sit with that and work on it a little more, because if it went off from here and it is moved here, shifting. Just one thing you can say is, this shifting pain is my Soul's Temple.
Okay.
I mean, before we end. Huh.
Okay. The shifting pains and Soul's Temple. 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 The shifting pain is my 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 Soul's Temple.
Okay. What's happening when you're saying this, Gina?
The same.
So there's more to it, definitely. That's what I sense. There's more to this. You'll have to sit and work on it. There's something which you're like really resisting, and just say that one simple thing. Say, learning and growing in a light-hearted, fun manner is my Soul's Temple. Try this.
Learning and growing in a light-hearted and fun manner is my Soul's Temple. Learning and growing in a light.
Say it a little loudly. Learning and growing.
Learning and growing in a light-hearted and fun manner is my Soul's Temple. Learning and growing in a light-hearted and fun manner is my Soul's Temple. Learning and growing in a light-hearted and fun manner is my Soul's Temple. Learning and growing in a light-hearted and fun manner is my Soul's Temple. Learning and growing in a light-hearted and fun manner is my Soul's Temple. Learning and growing in a light-hearted and fun manner is my Soul's Temple. Learning and growing in a light-hearted and fun manner is my Soul's Temple. Learning and growing in a light-hearted and fun manner is my Soul's Temple. Learning and growing in a light-hearted and fun manner is my Soul's Temple. Learning and growing in a light-hearted and fun manner is my Soul's Temple.
Okay. Taking out time to relax periodically is my Soul's Temple.
Taking out time to relax periodically is my Soul's Temple. Taking out time to relax periodically is my Soul's Temple. Taking out time to relax periodically is my Soul's Temple. Taking out time to relax periodically is my Soul's Temple. Taking out time to relax periodically is my Soul's Temple. Taking out time to relax periodically is my Soul's Temple. Taking out time to relax periodically is my Soul's Temple. Taking out time to relax periodically is my Soul's Temple. Taking out time periodically
To relax is my Soul's Temple.
Taking out time periodically to relax is my Soul's Temple. Taking out time periodically to relax is my Soul's Temple.
What's happening now? How much is the pain?
It's come down to 4.
See, that's the thing. Taking out time to relax, and also learning in a light-hearted, fun-loving manner. Learning and growing in a light-hearted. You don't always have to be studious and that in your approach. Serious in your approach. If you're going to be studious and serious in your approach, then after some time you'll be like so worked up, because that won't work for you. Okay. So if you make your approach to work light-hearted, fun, like I'm enjoying doing this. Whenever I want to relax, I'm taking out time to relax, and I'm not like pressurizing myself too much, not taking it like a burden on my head like that, right? Then the work will be also fun, and you'll continue the perseverance will be ongoing. Okay, so you have to take out time to relax without the need for pain.
Yeah.
Okay, and that right from the beginning, make it a point that, okay, if I'm working a lot, then one odd day or 2 days, I'll just do nothing. I might just sit and chill and sleep and talk to friends and do whatever is chilling for you.
Right.
Okay, then work won't feel like a burden.
Okay.
Okay, that must and you can write this affirmation. Maybe you can just write it down. I learn and grow in a light-hearted, fun manner. I take out time.
1 second.
Yeah, these are radical affirmations, by the way. I mean, I remember all of them because I've done so many readings.
Right.
So I just remember them. But
Ma'am,
I,
can you please?
I learn and grow in a light-hearted, fun manner.
Okay.
Okay, and I take out time to I I periodically take out time to relax and rejuvenate. You can add your words.
And chill, I would say. Chill
Yeah,
is my word.
yeah. So right, chill.
Yeah. Just chill. I periodically take out time to relax and chill is my full stem.
Yeah, I deserve to take time off and relax.
I
That's the nail on the right place.
huh. I
Because
deserve to take out.
yesterday we did Soul Temple for deservability, right?
Huh.
Yeah, now I get it. Okay, cool. So just say, I deserve to take time off and relax. Say that
Hmm.
like, just say it now, like all of us
Okay.
can say it.
11 times.
Say it like 11 times. I deserve to take time off and relax. I
I
deserve
deserve.
to take time off and relax. I deserve 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 to take time off and relax. How's the head now?
I could see myself on a beach sipping mojito. Oh my God, I so miss going to the beach.
But how's the head now?
Yeah, it feels much lighter. But then yeah, the beach is calling and I must go. ऐसा वाला feeling आ रहा है. But Bombay, the cyclone is still there. So can't.
Yeah, but you can bring the beach like relaxation in your head sitting at home.
मैम एक साल से वही कर रहे हैं यार.
I know. I wish I could just go to Bombay now and sit at the Marine Drive.
I swear.
So yeah, I mean, see, this is how we create pain. It's such a classic example. Do you all get it? Like what we did just now.
Yeah.
And one more thing, this reminds me, they used to say na statutory warning.
हाँ.
कि जैसे cigarette smoking is injurious to health, like that they say, right? When you start doing all these things, Soul's Temple or any healing and regular basis, now your capacity to actualize and manifest things is like this. If earlier, if this somebody projecting something at you would have hit you say in a month, now it can hit you in a day.
Hmm.
Now that is the other side of the coin of being aware.
Hmm.
Okay, now you cannot sit and just like, हाँ यार सिर दर्द हो गया है, I'm popping pills. You have to get going and see what's going on in my head. Why is it hurting? And do what is required to be done. Because that is how when the mind and body is so aware, so present, you think of something and it'll show up in your universe. For example, I'll give my example just now. My mom called me, right, to Bangalore. And there are so many people in this 1 month who have asked me for sessions, one-to-one sessions, that, oh, when is your 1 month call ending? When is your 1 month call ending? We want to take a session. We want to take a session. And I've been telling all of them, ki, haan, I'll give you the date. I'll give you the date after 20th May, after 20th May. And then today when my mom called, I was like, yeah, let me just go for 2-3 days. I'll relax and then take sessions. Okay. But I was like, no, but what about those people? They've been waiting for so long for me to, finish this 1 month and do a session. So there was this conflict in my head which doesn't convert into pain anymore because it shows up in my universe like this. And I did the affirmations. I was like, okay.
Awesome.
So this is the effect of
Mm.
working on yourself on a regular basis. It will show up in your universe in some form or manner. And when I affirm, I deserve to take a time off and relax, I was like, okay, that is my extension. But only thing is now it doesn't
Bangalore
come
जाना है.
create a headache in my body, because before that I work on it. Yeah, Shashi.
Could you elaborate on what you said earlier that, if you start working on yourself on a regular basis, like things
Awareness is
show
not
up or
comfortable.
something?
Okay, awareness is not comfortable. For example, if earlier when you're ignorant, okay, and you're doing something on a regular basis which is hurting you, and you're not at all aware, so it will create a migraine, it will create some pain, some disease, something over a period of time. In the sense, it will take 6 months for that to become a physical body pain, or maybe 20 days to become a pain, or whatever is that frequency of your body. Now when you start working on yourself, your body is so in tune with your thoughts. Your thoughts and your mind and your body are all so much in sync that here you think of one stupid thing and your body will show. Now you cannot sit and waste your time.
Yeah, no, this is so true. I mean, just yesterday I was telling a friend, my friend Suchita, who you healed, that since I've started the chakra healing soul temple, which I started after you, I've seen this, that anger is very instant. Like, I'm not being able to take bullshit from people anymore. If somebody says something profound which makes me upset, it's extreme upset. Like, and I just say it on, like, resolve it then and there and telling it to them. You said this is what I felt as rude and blah blah blah. And it's the extreme emotions I never had before. So I think what you're saying is kind of explaining that this last month plus a month before for the chakra healing, why I'm seeing all these changes in the past 2 months.
Yeah, and
It's hard
extreme
for me to take
emotions,
people's bullshit anymore, and hard to
of
take
course,
people are rude or taking me for
you will have
granted or-
zero tolerance for bullshit anymore. But at the same time, you also have to be aware of, you know, where am I expressing my emotions and whether it is received by the other person or not. And if it is not received by the other person, then do I want to continue expressing my emotions, or I want to sit with myself and work on it on my own and change it? That too. That discretion you must have, that, okay, fine. If this showing anger here is anyway not doing any help, I blast and that person doesn't care a damn, then no point in me like screaming and howling and showing my anger. Then I have to just step out. I can't keep wasting my time and my energy and my voice and everything to try and make somebody understand something if they are not willing to. So that discretion you must have कि कहाँ करते रहना है और कहाँ छोड़ देना है. When to hold on and when to let go. Now these are the things, these are the uncomfortable times which will come when you're working on yourself regularly, because suddenly you'll be like worked up, and then like how Jinal said, old ways of being. Old ways of being is not just habits, it's also old ways of thinking. And then we have to not adapt actually. It is immediately get present. Okay, fine. How am I reacting? Who's reacting here? How old am I being? And then I get present with that and okay, what happened when I was that age? What is hurting me more? And then go and heal that hurt, and then talk to another person. You will talk in a way that that person can receive. And still, if they don't, you don't need to talk. You just need to let go. That's the thing. See, awareness isn't comfortable. It's chaotic. Consciousness is chaos in motion, like how beautifully Dane said. So it will create a lot of chaos.
I won't deny, just was thinking, इससे better तो ignorance था. No,
Ha!
no. But I was joking. I mean, I
But
want
that
to.
is what it will come to you. It's not a joke. It will come. कभी कभी मुझे I used to get into shit before healing only. I was better. ये सब मैं कर ही क्यों रही हूँ? इतना सारा दिमाग खराब होता है. हर रोज बैठ के काम करो, हर रोज बैठ के. But what I realized with time is हर रोज बैठ के गोलियां खाओ, हर रोज बैठ के प्रिस्क्रिप्शन लो, डॉक्टर के पास जाओ, उससे तो हर रोज बैठ के ये करना अच्छा है कि नहीं? I mean, it's as simple as that. बाद में, anyways, that ignorance is going to cost you your health. Sooner or later. This awareness is uncomfortable in the present moment, but it will not cost you your health. Unless you ignore it again. But if you don't ignore it again, and if you work on yourself on a regular basis, like how people take blood pressure medicines for life, thyroid medicines for life, sugar medicines for life, if that works for you, then continue with that way of life and take medicines for life. Doesn't matter. There's nothing right or wrong about it. I mean, a lot of people take medicines for life and it's fine. For me, medicines for life is a no. So I would prefer to work on myself. And I would prefer to keep myself healthy and prevent all those thoughts that are diminishing me, limiting me, making me feel less about myself. I'll keep them at bay. I'll step out of those places that are not contributing to me. That is exactly what I told in the afternoon, right? Make yourself a priority. And it will make people uncomfortable, by the way. In the beginning, there were so many people who were uncomfortable with what I was doing. They were like, ये आजकल कुछ बोलने लगे है बहुत ज़्यादा ही. ये पहले तो नहीं बोलती थी. Because they are used to you saying yes to whatever they say and being there like this person who will please them all the time. But then when you tell people whatever the truth is, they will get uncomfortable. They will tell you ये सब बहुत बकवास सिर पे चढ़ गया तुम्हारे. They will tell you, let me tell you that. The people around will make you feel extremely wrong about what you're doing, because as long as it is in their comfort zone, they will not make you wrong. But if it makes them uncomfortable, they'll be like, what nonsense are you doing? Why are you doing all this healing and all? What's the point? You're still getting angry. What's the point? You're still, you can't tolerate anything. Your patience level is gone just completely out. But the thing was that much patient I was, and I was taking so much nonsense that I became unwell and depressed. But now when I'm saying it out, they are getting uncomfortable and they don't want that. When one person is the person who's depressed and suicidal and uncomfortable and alcoholic and this and that and sick, it's very easy for the rest of the people in the surrounding to blame it on this one person. But when this one person starts healing and starts saying no to all the bullshit that everybody is doing, everybody will get uncomfortable. But that is what is healing. And still not choosing to step down, only choosing to step up and step out of all the places that are limiting you and not contributing to you. So same, like if I'm talking about my mom being so loving, there are times when she said, "Tu ye sab kya bakwas kar rahi hai? ये सब healing and all क्यों कर रही है तू? सब घर छोड़ के इतना दिन तक बाहर जाना, ये सब कौन सा तरीका होता है?" I've had that time also. But I didn't give up. And when you don't give up on you, someday or sooner or later, everybody will accept you the way you are. But for that, you have to be willing to be you, come what may. And stop accommodating and stop like conforming to this reality. And when I say that, it doesn't mean that, you have to leave your family and go. It just means you have to leave those situations which are not contributing. If it's creating a lot of chaos, get up, go out for a walk, go meet a friend, go watch a movie, do whatever. Don't stay in a situation that is hurting you time and again. And even in a situation where you are hurting someone time and again, you will not be able to take it because you are sensitive. So that is anyways not going to work anymore. And that's the gift. I don't know whether it's punishment, but definitely that's a gift of doing regular healing. That you're so present, you're so aware, okay, what's going on? You can see things very clearly. All those things that you had blinded yourself to, and you were not willing to see inside of you and outside of you. You have to face it now. You have to face your face in the mirror, raw, naked. And it is going to be uncomfortable at times. Not
Sometimes
always.
it is like, I feel sometimes it is, अरे ये भी था मेरे अंदर, ओके आ जाओ, तुम भी आ जाओ.
Bring it on.
लगे हुए थे. अच्छा ये भी था, okay.
So these are activities practically I have had like these times, and while I'll call for Dattu example, I'll call him. पता नहीं यार क्या हो रहा है, कितना क्या कर रही हूँ, भगवान जाने, मेरा दिमाग फट रहा है, like. Or I'll call up Charu and like, I'm just not able to think anything. It's just so, taxing, and it is this and that. And they'll be like, chill banna di. Or that will be like, Bandhu, okay, let's talk. Let me ask you a few questions. And then they'll start questioning. And then in those questions, definitely I'll get something that, like how I started questioning Geenal and then she got it, right? That's a beauty of having, practicing these things and having people around who will bring you out of all that crap. It may sound harsh at times. It may sound, like, do I really want to change this? You have a choice. If you want to change, you change. If you don't want to, you don't. But changing towards greater health, greater mental health, greater physical health, how much of uncomfortable it may be, it will definitely be greater than, suffering in a disease and not knowing what to do. It will definitely be greater than that. Even if you are unwell, even if I get unwell, at least I would know, oh, I created this because I thought like this. I will not sit and blame. I'll be like, okay, fine, I only did this to me. And then I'll be like, okay, fine. Do I want to remain in this? Let me remain for 2-3 days and then I'll come out. I can do that also. कि 2-3 दिन तक नहीं करना है मुझे, कोई सोचेबल नहीं करना है, कुछ नहीं करना है. I just want to be like, I just want to be angry. It's okay. Doesn't matter how long. You won't be able to remain in it for too long. You will come out of it because now you're not used to staying in stupid situations and crap. You're now used to creating greater all the time. So you cannot remain in the position where creating crap is an option. But yes, the journey can be uncomfortable. When you begin all this, there will be times when you will feel like, shit, why am I doing all this? I was better off before. But before what? I was popping pills every time I had a pain and I was subsiding that pain. But that pain didn't go away anyway. Yeah, Sashi, you want to say something?
No, you're right. It's very uncomfortable. It's very hard. And I was somebody who, if I fought with friends, I would try to please and keep the relationship. And these days, it's like, but it's fine. I can live without that person. Like, I should let go. But and I was wondering this yesterday, and I'm glad I attended this call and got the clarity.
And
I was
you
never
know,
like this, like wanting to leave out of relations and.
but
be
it's
like,
okay. Trust me. You will get new set of friends. Not the ones who you were trying to please non-stop and they were never being happy. You cannot make other people happy unless they choose to.
I will definitely second on that you will start meeting people who align with you or who think on a similar path the way
Yeah,
you are
you'll get
thinking.
new friends. And those friends will leave
you'll
that
get
are
new
not
friends.
serving you anymore. See, I had written this in 2018 May. On Facebook, it shows up on my memories. I write these things, right? What I said, fun fact, people who aren't happy to see you happy aren't happy to see themselves happy either. They basically resist happiness. You get what I'm saying? So people who aren't happy, they will just choose to remain in that for as long as they can. And if anybody shows them a different possibility, they will want to shun that person, snub that person, insult that person, mock that person, put that person down, because they can't handle that. It irritates their demons. Your being happy irritates their demons. And it's okay, you don't have to conform to their reality. Right? Just recognize that, and how much ever uncomfortable it may be, I know that it will change. And it always changes for greater. All the people who hated me in the beginning for doing what I'm doing, all, who used to tell me, oh, अब तो तू बहुत बड़ी बन गई है, तेरे पास तो टाइम ही नहीं है, फोन उठाने तक का टाइम नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा होशियार हो गई है, वो तू तो ज़्यादा बड़े लोगों से मिलने लग गई है. And you know, I've heard all of that. I remember I went to a marriage after like I stopped going to marriages and social functions and everything because it was too much of a headache for me. I couldn't like handle that much nonsense, all that false things, right? Itna sara taam jham and gossiping and all of that. So after that, you don't have tolerance for all that. So I stopped going to weddings of our community. And then it was my cousin's daughters whom I'm very close to. So I went for that wedding. When I went for that wedding, almost after 6-7 years or whatever to Kolkata, everybody was like, oh, आजकल तो तुम्हारे बहुत फेसबुक पे पोस्ट दिखाई देते हैं, पर ऐसे तो तू कभी फोन भी नहीं उठाती है, तू तो बहुत बिजी रहने लग गई है, हमको तो बस तुम्हारी खबर से फेसबुक से मिलती है. Like this is exactly what they told me. And I said, हाँ सही बात है, मैं बहुत बिजी रहती हूँ और मैं तो बात करने के भी पैसे लेती हूँ. आपको अगर बात करना है तो पैसे भेज देना. और जो लोग नहीं दे सकते हो वो बस फेसबुक पे ही मिल सकते हैं मुझसे. Trust you me, these were people I used to sit and try and please all my life. And when I gave that reply, I was like, yes, Bandana, you did it. It just felt like, wow, liberated. So when I came back and I was talking to somebody and I was telling someone who's close, I was telling कि ऐसे बोली, तू ना बहुत dangerous होती जा रही है. I was like, बच के रहना. मैं बहुत dangerous हो गई हूँ अभी. अब मैं पहले जैसे नहीं हूँ कि जो बोलेगा उसके हाँ में हाँ मिला दूँ, क्योंकि मेरे को उनको खुश करना है. So it will be uncomfortable sometimes, and it's okay. But when you don't give in, right? And when you don't give up on you, people will align and agree or follow later, whenever they have to, whenever it's their time to get it. They get it when they get it. And if they don't get it, it's okay. It's not our job to change the world. Right? So don't think too much. Just whenever something shows up, sit with yourself and see how old am I being? Who is reacting? The child in me, what did the child feel at that age? Address that, make that child feel comfortable. Do Soul Temple or do whatever you know about it. And after taking that time out, then if you want to again go and talk to that same person, go talk. You can, there's no harm in saying sorry. There's no harm in saying that, oh, at that time I was not in a great space and I didn't want to talk. So I just wanted to take time off. These are the things which I've learned over a period of time, to say sorry, to say thank you, to acknowledge the other person's, to acknowledge my mood. And I'll tell people, yeah, sometimes, I have like big mood swings, because I'm dealing with a lot of pain of people. And sometimes I can just get involved in the pain and I may not feel like talking to anybody else. So all this I'll tell to people, and the people who get it, they remain. The people who don't get it, they leave. And it's fine. It's absolutely fine. We don't need all the people in the world. Definitely not the ones who are not happy in your happiness. Definitely not those. Right? So that's something that boils down again and again to what I said in the afternoon. Make yourself a priority. You are important. That's about it. Cool. Thank you, Jinal, for this conversation. I'm sure it helped everybody.
Yes, thank you so much, ma'am. See you tomorrow. Last
Yeah.
day tomorrow?
Tomorrow is the last day. Yeah.
Thank you very
All
much.
right. Thank you.
Cool. Bye-bye. See you.
Bye for now.
Bye.